Here, feel the consistency. We're going to do a switch. Look. Big one. Mamma mia. Mascarpone here. Now it's time for mascarpone. Ta-da! Grazie.
So good.
Excited? Okay. Welcome you all to Eat and Walk Italian. My name is Josefina or Joe, and today I'm going to teach you how to prepare tiramisu and pizza. Come with me. Okay, we are 12, so 12 eggs. A lot of sugar today. So, if you're a sweet kind of person, this is definitely your kind of dessert. If you're not, close your eyes from time to time, you decide, there's nothing I can do about it. Then, lady fingers or savoiati, as we call them here in Italia, coffee, mascarpone cheese, and at the end, bitter cocoa powder on top. Any one of you prefer milk instead of coffee? Of course, also possible. Traditional recipe is with coffee, but you might have seen or tasted tiramisus with berries, with pistachio, with Nutella, with liquor in the coffee, Baileys or amaretto, also milk. So we're going to start by adding the sugar into the yolks. 1 spoon per person. We are 12 plus me 13, quindi 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 12, one more, 13 e basta. Time to use the mixer. So now I need 2 volunteers. Mixer always vertical position, maximum speed. Thank you for your help. And now, how to know if the whites are ready? We have to be able to turn this thing down like this, and nothing should fall down. So, big applause. Thank you very much. Time to mix these two things by folding, which means always from the bottom to the top, okay? At this point, we don't use the mixer. Only spoon or spatula because we want to maintain the air of the whites. So, big spoon of whites here. And now you mix from the bottom to the top, incorporating the whites until we can't see them anymore. Okay, from now on, super important to use cold coffee or cold milk. Always cold. Perfetto, from the bottom to the top. On. Super spongy, super fluffy. So 1/2 here, the other one in the other bowl, and then we keep folding. Perfect. This one is ready. Let me help you a bit here. At the end of the table. Watch me first, and then your turn. 1 glove for me as well. So, first, we break the lady fingers in 2. Now, dip them in coffee for 2 seconds, both sizes. Also milk. 1 e 2. Now, cut, accommodate, and press just a bit. Not that much, okay? Like this. 1 big spoon of our cream. Make sure now to tap like this in order to reach every part of the cut and also to make this part flat. So tap, tap, tap. 1 e 2, both sizes. You don't need to press now, just accommodate like this. We don't use the gloves anymore, so you can leave them on the table. And now, last layer. Again. Big spoon, you tap again, and now what is for me the best part? Bitter cocoa powder on top, because this is already too sweet, remember, 13 spoons of sugar. So now we need a balance, please a balance. So as much as you want, Don't be shy at all. And that's how you create your first traditional tiramisu. Ta-da! Grazie. Okay, now is your time to shine. You can start now.
If we have time when Liam and I get back, we should make it for the family.
It's quite easy, yeah.
You can leave your tiramisus in these 2 trays here. Amazing.
Okay, that's it? Okay, got it. Go ahead.
Prego. The meaning of the word tiramisu. Okay, so let's start again with the ingredients. Okay, we have here flour, 100 grams of farina 00. The finest flour in the market, super soft. Please feel free to touch it. Wow, right?
That's really easy.
Water, salt, yeast, olive oil, and that's it. So, time to start now. Please show me the most typical Italian gesture that you know. So, with this hand, we're going to create a big hole in the middle of the plate, okay? So, your hand in the middle, a wide one, perfecto. And now with one finger, try to remove the flour in the middle, okay?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Well done. Now, 1 pinch of yeast also in the middle. Now your turn. So for now, only yeast and also olive oil. So let me show you the amount and then mostly like this. Also in the middle. And now your turn. And now it's time for water. So for now, just half of the water that we have here, also in the middle.
Just half.
Time to dissolve the yeast with 2 fingers in the middle. 2 fingers in the middle and tap, 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 tap. Tap until you can feel the yeast. And now it's time to collect the flour like this. Collect and turn. Collect and turn. Starting to mix everything and also starting to reach the consistency of a dough. Feel the consistency because now we have to reach the consistency of Play-Doh. Do you remember Play-Doh? Do you like playing with Play-Doh, Milan? From now on, you will have to check if you need water or you need flour. Why water?
Too much flour.
Too much flour, right? So, little by little, you add the water, collect the flour that you have, and keep pressing. So remember, the goal is to grab the dough with one hand. So what do you think you need here? I think you need to press harder. Okay, so press, press, press with your fingers until you reach like this. Let me see here. I'm coming. Okay, much better. Work on the dough. Perfecto here. Perfecto. And now start to squeeze and pass it from one hand to the other. How to know when it's ready? Look at me. All of us, we have to be able to squeeze with one hand, open, and it should fall immediately. If you need little pinches of flour, and check again. Squeeze, open your hand again, and it should fall. Grazie. One little pinch of flour on the table and massage. Dough now in the middle. We're going to press with both hands. So now it's flat and thicker. Only fingers. One flick now and repeat. And finally, now it's time to add the salt. Also in the middle. One pinch is enough. Now your turn. Bravissimo. Time to knead now using both hands like this. Follow me. Left hand, press. Right, folds, and press again. Try to use this part of the hand. This is a crucial moment for the dough, okay? Because this kneading will give all the elasticity that we need later for our pizza. Keep kneading for at least 1 more minute, okay? You want me to help you? Yes, of course. I'm coming. So let me show you how and then you, okay? So you press. Bravissima! Perfetto. What a silence! I know. Now, with both hands, press your dough again with all your strength, okay? And now, are you ready? I have 2 questions for you. Do you think this is ready?
No.
Do we have to wait, right? How long?
A day.
A day, okay. So you have to come tomorrow? We have to wait, actually, a day. So, what we are going to do?
Come back tomorrow.
Come back tomorrow? Okay. Let me see. No, I'm joking. When you reach this moment in your houses, you leave your dough rest on the fridge and wait 1 more day. So now, we're going to say goodbye to these beauties because the restaurant already prepared for us dolls that are double size. So this is the shape and size that you should reach. Okay?
This was made yesterday, this time yesterday?
Yes. We're going to do a switch. Look. Big one. Mamma mia. And now again, it's time to press with both hands. And now, time to use the rolling pin. Are you ready? Your left hand in the bottom part, only as support, okay, without pressing. And now, we're going to stretch in 3 directions. Left, up, right, and then you do a little turn, and repeat, until you reach the size that you want. Thank you. Okay, and now look, your arm actually in the middle. Fold, and now unfold on the tray. Perfect. Actually, from now on, it's super important that you are able to recognize your own pizza. So, with ingredients, try to be creative. And now, it's time for ingredients. 1, 2, 3, ta-da! So, first, 1 glove for me. Okay, pomodoro sauce? Yes. Grazie, you can start now. Pomodoro sauce for you? Yeah. Prego. Adesso. Prima. Prego. Mozzarella here. Prosciutto or spicy salami? What do you want?
Salami.
Salami. Here you have salami. So remember, from now on, be creative. See.
It's been waiting for you.
A lot of mushrooms for you then. For you?
See?
There you go. No? Mushrooms here? And now comes the best, which is eating. Follow me with your trays to the oven. This oven is already at 400 degrees. Okay, so if you repeat this at home, you turn the oven maximum heat, and then you put the pizza in the lower part of the oven for 3 minutes, and then 3 more, 2 more, highest part, and that's it. So guys, I would like to take a picture of you all. 1, 2, 3, pizza! Big applause for all of you. Group of 6. Okay. Can you help me with the tray? Be super careful with the black one, okay? 3 olives in the middle. Okay, now you two. Olives.
Olives all the way across.
All the way across. I have this too.
Used to be all the way across.
Even if you didn't think so, but
Time for tiramisu now. Ross.
that's me.
Grazie.
Joel.
So now, guys, did you like the experience?
Yes.
Prego. Okay, now I have to start another class. So very nice to meet you
Thank
all.
you so
It was
much.
my pleasure. Bye bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you.